class. So today I'm borrowing Juno because we're gonna do some math and we're gonna see if she can help me with our double song. I hope you guys are practicing your double song, getting really good at it. Let's see if Juno is ready. Juno, here we go. 1 + 1 = 2. 2 + 2 = 4. 3 + 3 = 6. 4 + 4 = 8. 5 + 5 = 10. You ready for the big ones? Ready? Double up. 6 + 6 = 12. 7 + 7 = 14. 8 + 8 = 16. 9 + 9 = 18. 10 + 10 = 20. Ready? Good job. I hope you guys are getting that. Juno's getting it. Okay. So last time we were together, Mrs. Smith talked about the add 10, take 1. This is kind of hard, so we're going to do some more of these today. We're going to have a little bit more practice. We got some sheets here. It's going to be in your adding, counting on packet. We'll get to that here in a minute. But let's take a look at these because they're kind of hard, so we're going to get some more practice. As you can see on the board, each equation has a 9. So when you think about a 9, it's close to the number 10. So let's see how we can work this out so it's not so hard. And I'm kind of lazy by nature, so I like to think of the easy ways to get through this. So if we look at 7 + 9, we have 7 of these, and we can take all 9 of these up here. That looks like that would take a lot of work, doesn't it? So instead, what we could do is 7 + 10. So you see that? And that is 17. Yeah, you got it. But we know the equation's not 7 + 10. It's 7 + 9. So what do we need to do? We need to take 1. Take -1. We have 16. See that? So it makes it a little easier. It takes a little less time. Let's try another one. All right, here we go. We got 20. No, we had 7 there, so we got 28 plus, let's bring our 9s over. Oops, we lost a 9, he jumped off the counter, the board. So what do we have here? So we have 28 plus 10. We know that is 38. Because we're getting pretty good at our 10s, right? Because our 1 wouldn't change with that. 28 plus 10, our 1s aren't going to change. But that's not the equation we're working with. We're working with this one. So we're just going to take 1 away. And we get 37. See how it gets? -1, not 9. -1. Oh, that's a terrible one. That kind of looks like a 10s. There we go. All right. So let's take a look at another one. Oh, we're getting a little larger here. This is a bigger number. So we've got 30, 50. Let's bring our 4. We'll take 4 over. There they go. And plus 9, we're bringing our 9s over. And that one doesn't want to stay on the board either. So you see here, that would take a while. And remember, I'm kind of lazy, so I'm going to think of a different way to do this, a little faster. So we have 54. See, we have our 54 plus, because 9's close to what? 10 plus 10. So we know that this is 64. Because again, our 1s aren't changing, but our 10s are. But we know this is not 54 plus 10. It is 54 plus 9. So we're going to -1. Look, I got it that time. Equals 63. Okay, one more. This one's even tougher. We're really getting up there. So we have 50. Let's bring those over. We'll add that guy. So we have 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60. And we'll just bring 2. And then our 9s are coming over. There they go. So what do we have? 62 plus 10 equals, right, 72. Because again, our 1s aren't changing, it's just our 10s. We're adding 10. But you guys got it, so we know that that's not the equation though, it's 62 plus 9. So from this, we're gonna take away 1, and we have 71. So see, this is a little, it's not so hard once you get used to it, and doesn't take as much time as adding the 9s. So now what we're gonna do is in your packet, if you haven't grabbed this already, you're gonna want your adding counting on packet, and we're gonna do a couple problems and pages here together. Okay, so this one is the one, this mystery picture. This is the one that once you're done, you're gonna wanna go ahead and take a picture of this and load it into your journal so we can all see what the mystery picture is. So, as I had showed on the board, the way we wanna do these, we have 24 plus 10, and we know that 24 plus 10 is 34, but since that's not the problem we're solving 24 plus 9, you're gonna want to just take 1 away from 34, and we get 33. Let's do this one. So 82 plus 10. Remember, just our 10s are changing, not our 1s. So we have 92. But that's not the problem that we're solving. We're solving this. We're gonna want to take 1 away, and we are gonna get 91. Oh, so then, now don't let me forget this. This is the important part. We gotta see what this picture is. So we have 34, we'll color 34 in, and 91 way down over here. We'll do 1 more here. So 68 plus 9. We're gonna do 68 plus 10. We have 78, and then minus 1 is 77. Where's 77? There we go. So once you're done with this one, take a picture. I don't know, from these 3 squares, I can't quite tell what this is. Maybe a smiley face or a pumpkin, I don't know. So surprise us and let us see what this is. Okay, so once you're done with that page, you're gonna move on. Now there's a lot of problems here, but this is good practice. We really wanna practice this and get good at this. So the problem that we're solving is 27 plus 9. But as we went through, we wanna add 10, and then we'll take 1 away. So 27 plus 10, it's just our 10s that we're adding, not our 1s, so we have 37. So 37 minus 1 is 36. So then what we'll have you do is circle this, because this one's actually the answer that we're looking for. This is a strategy to help us get there, but we're looking for this. This column is where the answer is going to be. So we'll do a couple more of these. So 45 plus 9, so we're gonna go 45 plus 10, 55, and then 55 minus 1 is 54. You see that? Let's do 1 more. So 78 plus 9, so we're gonna go 78 plus 10. Just our 10s are changing, not our 1s, so we have 88. So 88 minus 1 is 87. All right, so go ahead and practice. Practice this sheet. And then we've got another sheet here that we're gonna practice. Ooh, look at this one. We might get into the hundreds with this one. So 95 plus 10 is 105. Oh, look at this. We'll bring out our numbers chart for this one, because this is a big number. We haven't really got into this, but on your numbers chart here, don't forget to use that. Let me grab a pen. Let's do this one on the numbers chart. So we have 95. Where are you? There's 95. We're gonna go plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But then we're gonna subtract 1. So I'll just use my finger. I'll put a star around it. How about that? There we go. You see that? as a big number. So it's the same strategy. We're just getting into the hundreds here. So 104. And then just for good practice, how about the 24 plus 9? We'll just use the number chart for this, because this is always good practice. This is a really good way to get that number line in your head, and it's a good strategy to help. So okay, so 24 plus 9, so we have 24. We're going to add 10, and you guys see the pattern here. 34 minus 1. Let's put a little cloud around it to kind of show it. We'll go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Should have done that. There we go. So here on the paper would be 34. So we're going tens. We're not changing the ones. The minus 1's 33. Okay? So then remember, this is where our answers are. They're down this column. So finish this sheet, and then you guys know this one. You guys are getting really familiar with this. So we need a coin. I'm a nickel today. And then we need a little game piece. Oh, a happy face. All right, so to start, if we flip it and it's on heads, it'll be 2 spaces, and if it's on tails, we'll go 5 spaces. And we'll do this 20 times. So we landed on tails. We're going to go 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 plus 9. So right here we're going to write the equation out as what we've been learning. So 8 plus 10 equals 18, but then we're going to take away 1, so minus 1 equals 17. Hopefully you guys can see that. My writing's a little small on that. So we'll give this 2 more tries. Here we go. Oh, we got heads, and heads is 2. 1, 2. 9 plus 6. Okay, so to write this, we're going to go 9. Oops, nope, we don't want to do that. That almost tricked me. Did you see that? I was thinking 9 plus, so it's going to be 10 plus 6 equals 16 minus 1, because we want to get back to that 9. Minus 1 is 15. You see that? So that one almost tricked me. So pay attention to that, because the 9 is we're adding 9s, and that's what we've been talking about this whole time. So if you see a 9, you're going to want to change that to the 10 and then minus 1. So we'll do one more here. What did we get? Oh, heads again. So 1, 2. Oh, there's a tricky one again. It's trying to fool me again, but this time I know. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. And then since that's not the actual equation we're solving, it's the 9s. So minus 1 is 11. I think you guys got it. All right, have fun. As Mrs. Smith says, peace.